5 creatures live in our house. 3 humans and 2 cats. Now wait a minute. 5 creatures live in Emily Jenkins' house. 3 humans. Could you show me 3 on your fingers? 1, 2, 3. 3 humans. And it says 2 cats. Could you make 3 humans and 2 cats for me like this? Would you put them together? Now they said 5. Let's see if it's 5. Check it with your check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5? Okay. Do you know what a human is? That's us. You're a human. I'm a human. And 2 cats. That made 5. Did it make 6? Let's make sure. 3 humans. Everybody get 3 humans on your hand. And 2 cats. Now watch how Mrs. Copley does it. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's just 5, isn't it? Yeah. You must have counted 1 twice, maybe. Oh, look at this one. This is funny. Look. 4 who like to eat fish, and 1 who doesn't. Who do you think likes to eat the fish? Who do you think, Chris?
The orange! Orange cat.
I think the orange cat does. I think the gray cat does, too. And I think the mom and the dad, but maybe the little girl, she doesn't like to eat fish, doesn't look like. Well, let's see if that works. Now, we got to put 4 on one hand. Stack them up in a big column. Here we go. Stack them up. Stack them up. Oh, boy. Now, then put it right there by your picture and put your hands in your lap because we're going to do something very special. That's going to be a big book, too.
That's got 3.
That's got 3 in it. This one has 4.
John, please.
That one is doing the big one.
Okay. Come on up. Next one. Let's see. Where's this one going to go? Oh, my. Oh, look at you. Just knew that right away. What a brainy person you are. Put it right there. Oh, that book's going to have a page in it, too. Okay. Now that you've seen the video clip of 5 creatures, let's talk about those questions. Question number 1. How can teachers intentionally use literature to teach number concepts? Well, I think you can see that I use many different ways of joining both literature and the number concepts together. First of all, we counted parts of the pictures in the book. If you saw the children using their fingers, we were taking the part-whole idea of number to do that. We visually modeled the quantity of 5 with fingers. I think you saw the young child that constantly used her fingers and was very interested in making sure that she made 5. We also then created books that illustrated the numbers of creatures in their own family. Let's look at the second question. What evidence can you identify that tells you the teacher has intentionally planned an activity that connects literature and number concepts? Well, through most of the tape, you could see children counting using that part-whole model and counting correctly. I think another important part was the way that we compared number quantity by using the Unifix cube tiles as they put them together and matched to see which had more and which had less. I would like to right now, though, talk to you about a few of my reflections. I used to use this book totally as a part-whole model for number. It's a concept that I think is very, very important. But I changed my mind about how to use it exactly when I was talking to my grandson one day. He was saying, "Mimi, I have lots of people in my family, and I have lots of cubes." And I thought about that a little bit and thought, boy, it would be good to use it as a comparing lesson, a very different objective than a part-whole idea. So based on that comment, I changed this lesson to be one that the children would actually use Unifix cubes and put them in towers
so that they could compare number. And I changed the objective much more than I had before. Again, I listened to a child. This time it happened to be my grandson to change the perspective of this lesson.